we finished the front right wheel sensor, but it's telling me that the left rear is bad now that I fixed the front one. So we're gonna pull this wheel off and we're gonna look at it. And I did buy 2 sensors, so we're gonna see whether that second sensor is the right one for the rear. It looks like it might be. That's the only reason I'm going to take it apart right now. We're in here chasing codes. And so we're going in from the back here with the 6mm. Let me see if I can get a good angle for you. I didn't disconnect the wire because it looks like it's a pain, so I'm hoping the whole thing pulls out and I can disconnect it once it's out. Let me just twist this out by hand. There's the 6mm screw. And is it loose in there? So I'm in here. I got my needle nose pliers pulling on that thing. If I pulled it and it's loose now. So what we want to do is, oh, there we go. Wiggle it out. There we go. And there it is. So we just gotta push that and then unclip it. So if you want to see how this clip works, you pull up on this, right? You pull on this right here with your thumb or with a screwdriver, like this. You hear that? And then it pulls it off. So I thought it might be the same part as the front because I had an extra, but the little thingy's shorter on the front one than on the back one. So what I did was I went in and I bought these on Amazon. I got the ABS sensors in the mail today. I got 2 of them for $16. These are the rear ones. They're a little longer on the end here. At the store, the cheapest was like $75, I think up to like $90 a piece. Of course, those were Bosch and some other names that we all know. But this was next day and $16 for both. So we're gonna see if they work and how long they're gonna work for. I'll keep you updated. I just got the part in Amazon, just delivered it. And so I'm just making sure it's the same one. It looks exactly the same. We're gonna throw it in there. Nice and easy, 1 screw, because we had the wheel off. So I plugged it in first. Okay, ready to put the tire back on. All this is hooked up. Goes right down there. I made sure that was in there nice and good. Let's see if it shuts off our light now. So to make a long story short, the second, can we see that? The codes. So this left rear, it still has that, so I'm gonna delete it. And then the light will go out. So we're gonna go back here and hit clear fault code. Are you sure? Hold on. Are you sure you're sure? Yes. Okay, now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna shut the car off and then turn it back on and see. Will it be gone? Bam, we got rid of almost all the lights. We got tire pressure and steering angle sensor.